Good morning guys, welcome to Wales, and this is Outsider and I'm Tank. What I'm going to show you today is I'm going to dig a really stealthy fire pit for you, show you how it's done. This is Dakota fire pit. You've all seen it before most prob. There's hundreds of videos on it, but I'm going to show you how to do it now for the guys on my channel. It's a low impact on the environment. You just fill it in. Go on, make sure you fill it in as well. You don't want anybody breaking their ankles. It's not used for warmth and heat. It's used for cooking, it is, and it's below ground level, so it's really good for stealth camping. It's also, as I say, it's not used for heat, right? So it's no good in a hypothermia situation. It's basically used for a low profile way of cooking for stealth campers. Okay, I'll show you how it's done now. So that's all I'm going to use to make the fire pit, guys, is an E-tool, which is a small shovel, and I've brought along my knife with me just in case there's any roots I've got to cut. Okay, so I'll get cracking now. So here's my first hole of 2. Okay, so this is going to be where the fire is. Yeah, and come across about 6 to 8 inches now and dig another hole here. That's going to cause a vacuum for the air to come in to feed the fire. So that one here is about 18 inches deep. Okay, I'm going to tunnel across here now, tunnel across when I've dug the other hole there. So I'll get cracking on now with the second hole here. There's the second hole now. I've dug down to the same depth. I'm going to put a bevel there to channel the air in. That's the next step. Little bevel there. And then I'm going to, using a stick, as I said, I'm going to tunnel across to that second hole. So there's the bevel, guys. It's like a channel that directs the air in here. So what I'm going to do next, I've done the tunnel. See, it goes straight through, and you want that so you get your hand through it. I'll try and show you now, guys. Hold on. See? You want it that size. So what I'm going to do now, like you do with a normal fire, I'm going to lay your base there, okay? Then we'll build the fire. So there's your base here, look. I'm just going to collect some wood now, get a fire going. So I've got all my kindling ready now, guys. That should be enough for a brew. I made a tripod, simple, and I've got my billy can hanging over where the fire is going to go. Okay, just some 2mm paracord. So what I'm going to use for tinder is a tampon. Good old tampons. So there you go. So when the flames dies down a bit now, the flames will actually be below ground level. And with this hole here now, the opposite hole, I can either feed sticks through that way, or I can blow in there to get some air and oxygen, get some oxygen into the fire. There you go. So with this fire, guys, it's a really intense heat, sucking oxygen in all the time. That's why I did the bevel, the funnel in. So it's a really intense heat, right? So even though I've got paracord on it now, what I've just did is I've hired the tripod, so the flames are not affecting the paracord. You can use chain. There you go. It says your Dakota fire pit, guys. Took about 20 minutes to make, but it's really good for stealth camping, as I say, because it's below ground level. Let's get a brew on a go. So another point to make, guys, very little smoke with this fire. I'm going to walk off a distance now just to show you what it looks like. There you go. So as you can see, there's no smoke, or very little, and the flames are, and you can't really see the flames. Superb. Stealth camping fire pit. I get it. So I have a strong one. I'm having 3, guys. My coffee choice. Tactical advantage. So there it is, guys, the Dakota fire pit. Easy to make. As I say, I gotta repeat it, okay? It's not for warmth. So in a hypothermia situation, it's no good. But it's fantastic for cooking, okay? When I boiled that billy can, put half a pint of water. Took about 4 minutes, okay? So the Dakota fire pit. Thanks for watching the video, and thanks for watching it all the way through if you have, okay? I'm going to leave you now, finish my brew. Leave a comment down below, punch the like button or the unlike. I know we got a few haters out there already. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.